Hi students, today we are starting our next topic of this chapter, that is aim and specimen for DNA replication. Aim of this experiment is there to prove that DNA replicates semi-conservatively, means partially. Specimen taken, that is Escherichia coli, in medium containing isotopes of nitrogen of ammonium chloride. Experimental proof. It was given by Matthew Michelson and Frank Link in 1958. Procedure. They culture Escherichia coli in medium containing N15, which is isotope of N. After this, replication was there for new generation, and in that medium both the strand of DNA containing nitrogen 15 as constituent of purine and pyrimidine. When these bacteria with N15 were transferred in the culture medium containing N14, it was found that DNA obtained from fresh generation of bacteria possesses one strand heavier than another. The heavier strand represents the parental strand and lighter one represents the culture medium. Conclusion. The DNA of parent generation was found to be heaviest. In first generation, it was lighter than the second one. In second generation, two bands were observed indicating the presence of DNA with two different densities. These two bands were of equal intensity in the second generation also. In the subsequent generation, the intensity of light density band gradually increased and the intensity of hybrid density band gradually decreased. Now here, sucrose solution was taken. Sample was mixed. It was 5% sucrose and 20% sucrose. Here it is centrifugation on number 4, means mixing of sample with sucrose solution, and then finally in same container small size DNA molecule, medium size DNA molecule and large size DNA molecule were present. This is the method of centrifugation. As you can see, this is N15 DNA. Here you can see this is gravitational force was given for 20 minutes. DNA came in this manner, N15 and N14. This was generation 1. You can see here it was heavy, it came in lighter manner. Then still 40 minutes more, generation arised in this manner, as you can see, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Out of that, 2 were N15 and 2 were N14 DNA, and here you can see when gravitational force was given, so hybrid came in this manner, as you can see. When we gave gravitational force for 40 minutes, resultant was like this. It was showing light N14 and it was N14 and N15. It was showing the hybrid. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.